Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Manhattan Clam Chowder. Start by preparing all ingredients so you can cook without interruption. Begin sautéing onion, celery, and carrots until softened, then add garlic and tomatoes to build the base. Pour in clam juice and stock, bring to a simmer, then add clams and potatoes. Finish with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lemon to brighten the chowder before serving. Gathering and prepping ingredients makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Start by cleaning clams in salted water to remove grit, then chop onion, celery, and carrots into small pieces. Cube potatoes to 1 inch so they cook at the same rate as the vegetables. Open canned tomatoes or chop fresh ones and measure out clam juice and stock. Having everything ready lets you focus on timing and flavor as you cook. Heat olive oil and sauté onion, celery, and carrot until soft and fragrant, then add garlic briefly. Stir in tomatoes and let them break down, then pour in clam juice and stock and bring to a gentle simmer. Add cubed potatoes and cook until fork tender, then fold in clams just until they open. Finish the chowder with chopped parsley and a squeeze of lemon for brightness before ladling into bowls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.